Hello family, welcome back to Mama Niger's kitchen, a kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Guys, you are so welcome to Niger's kitchen today as we are in the art studio working on fruit art. Guess what I have with me? Onions, red onions. Guys, we are going to be turning this into a lotus flower. Are you ready? I'm going to be showing you the techniques, the skills, and the know-how to transform this onion into a beautiful lotus flower. Come with me. What you need a carving knife. I have a link on my description box if you are interested in purchasing this carving knife. The link is in my description box. An onion. Here's another onion that is not peeled. We're going to be working on this as well. So here is one. You want to peel it, remove all the dry ends, okay, from the onion until you have a fresh, fleshy onions. Next, we are going to work with a very sharp knife. You do need a sharp knife. We're going to be cutting into the onions in that manner, okay? Creating a pattern. Do not go all the way to the bottom. This is the roots of the onion, so you want to go as far as here. And again, cut deep into it. So you're doing a V. Continue that. Almost back to our starting point. Okay, so now you want to just go over it again to make sure everything is cut. Because once everything is cut, as it should be, it will be easy for you to separate. If you are one of those that can't stand onions, you might want to consider wearing some goggles of some nature. So here we are, guys. We're going to pull this baby apart. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we are going to transform this into a lotus. How do we do that? We're going to peel this as gentle as possible. You can try to peel it one at a time, but before we do, we need to remove the core, the roots, because it's the root that is actually holding that onion leaves together. So we have removed the roots. Now we can easily pull them apart. Gently peel the onions apart, one layer or 1 to 2 layers at a time. You want to loosen it away from the membrane so that it can easily pull apart. Although mine here has a cut on the pattern, we can still use it. So just flip it over and use that to create your base petals for the lotus flower. So now I'm going to continue to loosen the onions and carefully remove one layer at a time. Guys, onions can be delicate, but take your time to do that. Once you have completely separated all the onion petals. So using alternating pattern, layer the edges alternatively so that each edge is alternating with the next edge, creating a pattern in that form. The base petal, we are going to transfer it into our display plates. And remember to flip that over. You should have like an edging, flowing out base. That will really add on a layer of beauty to your lotus flower. So this is our first design. Now with our second onion, we are going to create a different pattern. Remember in the first one, we did the V pattern. So here we are going to be creating kind of a leaf pattern. If you see the movement of the knife, it is not straight down, it is curved. So just like so and like so. Okay, so you're creating a leaf pattern. So you continue that pattern, cutting deep into the onion until you have completed the circumference of the onion. And repeat that second time to ensure that all the onion layers have been cut through internally. Alright, so now comes the test of your patience. Let's see how well you can carefully remove these petals without breaking them apart. So guys, this takes time, okay? Because you want to carefully loosen once again the onions from the membrane so that it doesn't break apart. If it breaks apart, that is fine. Move on to the next layer. So from one onion, you should be able to gather enough to create one lotus flower, okay? So here is my first one successfully removed. Oh yes, that feels good. So now I'm going to continue the process until I have fully removed all the petals that I need to create a lotus flower. Now assemble your petals in alternating format to create a lotus flower. And remember to build your base. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that arrangement. It's just, look at the spikes. The spikes are alternating formats. So I have settled that onto the base, and I'm going to add on some inner layer, to fill in that core. And voila, you have created an amazing, beautiful lotus flower from onions. Wow! Give yourself a pat on the back, guys. Applause, applause, drum roll. Indeed. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. An enhancement to Mother Nature. An enhancement of natural beauty of that onions, transforming it from its natural configuration to a seemingly beauty of lotus flower. Alright, what do you see? And do you like what you see? If you do, be sure to hit that like button, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. You are welcome, to our tutorial sessions, guys. If this is your first time coming in to Mama Niger's Kitchen Art Studio, welcome, welcome. I hope you have gained some valuable skills on fruit art. So guys, as I always say, at Mama Niger's Kitchen, it is an everyday adventure. You will never have a dull moment. To all my subscribers, my faithful subscribers, much love to you for keeping us going and continue to grow our community and our new subscribers joining us. If you have not subscribed yet, guys, what are you waiting for? Consider joining this amazing, vibrant family and let's have fun together. Let's create a community of adventure, learning together, winning together, having fun together, guys. And by doing that, we are enhancing our lives and imparting our word. So guys, thank you all so much for coming in. And please check out my other videos, remarkable, amazing videos. Every video, all my content, guys, I promise you, will deliver a value to you. So guys, be sure to check out my other contents. Fully watch the video to the end and hit the like button as well as subscribe, because those are things that you can do to help promote this channel. And I appreciate you for supporting this channel, supporting me and helping this channel to grow. Thank you. Much love. Mwah. So guys, if you are interested in this kind of videos, tutorial sections on food art, let me know your interest in the comment section below and stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you, Obulu or Kimberful. Bye bye.